Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in Pandora account on PC. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. Pandora is a Danish jewelry manufacturer where you can find your own style jewelry collection. To log in Pandora account on PC, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type us.pandora.net. US stands for the country code, as mine is USA, so it stands for US. Then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to Pandora's website. Now here you can see the profile icon at top right corner of the website. Click on the profile icon. Then here you can see login option at the left side of the website. Now to log in, here you need to first enter your email address that you have used to create your Pandora account. Then enter the correct password of your Pandora account. With that, if you want your credentials to be remembered, click on Remember Me box. If you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password. On the down you can see you can also sign in with your Facebook account or with your Google account. After entering all your credentials, click on Sign In and Continue. With that, you will be signed in to your Pandora's account. As you can see here, I have been logged into my account, that is Hanet Noah. And you can see welcome Hanet, that means I have been logged in. This is how we can log in to Pandora account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.